Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the third part of Resemble. The fourth beat will be slap slap, bass slap, slap slap slap, bass slap, slap slap slap, bass slap. But we are going to play it half half. The first half will be slap slap, bass slap, slap slap slap. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half will be bass slap, 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 bass slap. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the third part of Resemble. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.